express your opinion o ngayon lang itong umagang nangyari? In the past, do you feel you are free to reveal whatever emotions or feelings in you,
It's not the idea that you have enough courage to oppose when you know that it's wrong or something wrong about it. But there are also times that even though you feel that there's something wrong about that idea, it's hard for you to tell
What is
yourself.
stopping you? Ba't hindi mo nasasabi? What are your fears?
The fear that the fear of the thought that maybe you are the only person who will
Object.
ayon
Participate.
idea,
Yes,
bagi ayon sa idea bagi ka lang yung taong maayon sa idea mo, kaya much better na day na lang tara mo iba lang yung kadaklan ang gusto yung idea na mismo yung kaso nagtataram.
But don't you think nakaipuan pa rin i-express? Kahit saro ka lang na boses, dapat sinasabi mo yun. That's the success of a great team. Okay, that's just a reflection for everybody. So, if we rate mutual trust in the class, we're now talking about the first year class. In a scale of 10, ilan kaya ang you would feel na, ay, pwede ko masabi ang kahit ang gusto kong sabihin. Ano kulabot ko, madagitan ako. Basta nasabi ko yung feeling ko. Difficult baga mag-ukot, kinamatian kita rong tao. Ano? No, tinawang kasi assignment, dahil mo man gusto. Kwaon mo lang. Ipakanta ka, dahil ka man tatao magkanta. Pero the class unanimously volunteered you. Will you just accept it? That you're miserable for the rest of your life? No. Do you have the right to say no?
Yes.
But what matters is how you say it. Right? Dapat ka mong mapagi sa tao magtaram kung ano. Kadaslan ng mga pagi na inakataram kung gusto nila. The problem. Halimbawa, even among the staff of the seminary, they don't nakakaram. Sometimes, pero ako ang kurupong pabida, ako nakakaram. I am the type of person who will really tell you if you think no matter what. Di ba, Tony? There was a time na si Tony was late. He was late. We're going to Sorsogon at the time.
Yes, madam.
For a tour. Talagang dinagitan ko siya. I told her, is that an ambassadress of goodwill? You do not know what time is it now? Basta pag nadadamit si Madam Dali, mabuot lang ako sa seminaryo. From that time on, Tony learned her lesson. Di ba, Tony? Tony is an American when it comes to time because I am really very time conscious. So, pero sa pakataram ko, napahiya ko gayon si Tony, which I also apologize. But of course, I will never say I'm sorry. Parang nakakahiya. But you don't have to feel bad. If you have to say you're sorry, you are really sorry. Magayon lang sa sinaram ni Kevin na pagkabot na game, ito na day ka mo. Kaya baga, pag ang klase, pag may nag-regent, mamunduon tama ako.
Yes, madam.
You share the pain, you share the joy together. If there is one subculture kan mga seminarista, pero kamo. Right? But sometimes it's negative. Sa araw na nindong kalukuhan, kikonsenti pa nindong, no one is talking about it. Or there are times na, Madam Dali, it's better not to say it anymore. May mga times man na, there are things better left unsaid. Tama? Sa kung pigiling mo, makaka-offend ka man sana, you might as well keep it to yourself. But if it is for the good of the class, no matter how it hurts, for the common good, for the good of everybody, you have to say it. But how you say it, again, differs. We will have a session on communication process, then we have leadership, Tony will be the one